Hello student. Today in this video we will study about the grasslands. In this video you will study about the grasslands which are found in temperate grasslands and tropical grasslands. Grasslands refer to the regions of the world that is covered with the thick green grasses, and these are found mainly in the area which get moderate rainfall. These are found in the areas between the desert and the temperate forest in North America, Argentina, and Eurasia. Temperate grassland are drier and colder than tropical grassland. Okay, they are more drier and colder than the tropical grassland. And the annual rainfall in these ranges between the 300 to 600 millimeter, while temperature in the winter are very between 10 degrees centigrade to minus 18 degree centigrade. Temperate grassland land are divided into different categories according to the different region. The temperate grasslands are different names in the different regions. For example, the names of temperate grasslands like the prairies in North America, steppes in Central Asia, steppes in Central Asia and Russia, down in Australia, pampas in South America and Argentina, veld in South Africa. The main characteristic of the temperate grassland. These are also known as the granaries of the world. Wheat and the maize are grown in this grassland. These grasslands are very fertile from growing the crops. That is why they are called the granaries of the world. As you have studied about the Paris region in your class 5th, that Paris is called the wheat basket of the world. And main crops which are grown here, they are the wheat, barley, maize, corn, etc. The vegetation which are found here in this region, the area is you will see the lack of trees in this region, but you will see the healthy green grasses and nutritious grasses in this region, which is very good for the grazing animals like cow, buffaloes, goat, sheep, etc. And that is why this area is termed as the sea of grasses or ocean of grasses. Okay, and the grasses which are found here, they are about 4 to 5 feet long. Now the wildlife which are found here, they are the bison, buffaloes, antelopes, etc. They are the common animal which are found in this temperate grassland. Now next topic is tropical grassland. These grasslands are found in the main areas of Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Kenya, Plateau of Brazil, North Australia, and Deccan Plateau in Africa. These are known as the savanna grasslands. Tropical grasslands in Africa are called savanna grasslands. And these grasslands are where in these grasslands you will find the different varieties of animals. The characteristics. The main characteristic of these grasslands are they are well grown in the region of moderate and low rainfall, and these grasslands are very suitable for the dairy farming because they are very fertile area. The grasses which are found here, they are very nutritious for the grazing animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, and goats. That is why you will see these regions are very famous in the world for dairy farming, and animals which are rare here, they are also rare for the milk, meat, and skin. Now the vegetation which you will see here, that is the mainly grasses. The grasses are very tall and thick, and with the scattered trees are main vegetation of these grassland. You will find rarely some trees in this region. Mainly the trees are mainly found near the ponds or rivers in these grasslands. Now the wildlife. The wildlife which are found here, they are the zebras, elephants, deer, leopards, giraffe, etc. The main wildlife of the tropical grasslands are the zebras, elephant, and giraffes. Now the shrubs. The shrubs, they refers to the woody plants that are the smaller than trees. These are found in the dry desert like the areas, dry region like areas, and first the desert vegetation are found in mainly in arid and semi-arid areas. Sahara, Kalahari Desert in Africa, Atacama Desert in Chile, and Thar Desert in India, Southwest Australia Desert, and the Arabian Desert are the areas having desert vegetation. The characteristic of these vegetations are most of the desert in the world found on the western margin of the continent. These are found in the areas of high temperature, high evaporation, and low rainfall. These plants of the shrubs have long root, thorny surface, and wax-coated leaves. The vegetation which are found here, the vegetation which are found here. They are also called the xerophyte, which means the vegetation that adapts themselves to the hot and dry climate. The thorny bushes are found here, like the cactus, date palm, and keker, babul. These are the kinds of shrubs and trees which are found in this region. Now next is about the tundra region. The tundra region is mainly found in the northern polar region. This region you will see in the northern polar region. The vegetation which are found here, they are like some shrubs like the some flowering plants and lichens and mosses. These are the main vegetation which are found here, because most of the time this area is covered with the snow and ice throughout the year. Now the wildlife which are found in this region are mainly the snow foxes, Arctic musk, oxen, walrus, seal, polar bear are the main animals of the tundra region, about which you have studied in your class 5th, like green example is Greenland. Here today we have studied about the main characteristics and vegetation and the wildlife which are found in the grasslands and tundra region. Okay, in next video we will study about the next chapter. Thank you.